Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button like Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like you can add exceptions to it. It could be conversations, calls, messages. It can also be apps, alarms and other interruptions. You can set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it, and you can also disable only sound from it, disable visuals and sound, or customize what you want to disable and what you want to leave off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.